Hello everyone, my name is Naturalist Mary Beth and we are here in the beautiful state of Ohio, and this summer I'm doing a series of videos called Neat Notes in Nature, and the first one is going to be about the beautiful flora found here frequently in the state. So let's go hiking. Native flowers here in Ohio, but we also have bad planties. This is a bad planty. It's called multiflora rose. They take over everywhere and they also give you a poke. No, even though we are in Ohio, these are called Philadelphia fleabane, and they will grow outside their state. Let's keep hiking. Oops. Oh, hi. I didn't know you were filming. Well, this is not marijuana, but it's our state nut or tree or whatever. It's the friendly Flora buckeye. Let's keep hiking. There are many different kinds of alien planties here in Ohio, and this is the most baddest planty of them all, the honeysuckle, which is not a good plant at all. So bring it, get rid of it. Hello everyone, we have these beautiful red flowers, but they're not really called red flowers. They're called fire pink. Let's keep hiking. I just want to thank my videographer who hiked all over the place with me. He wishes to remain no name, but thank you. And until next time, more nature notes in the future.